Welcome back to another episode of Too Skint to Scrap. Last episode was a huge impact episode, but I think this one is just going to be a little bit more, trying to sort everything out, trying to do little things. We've got so many little things to do now. I don't know how well it's going to come across on video, but we've got to do it, and I don't even know where to start. So I'm just going to start tinkering with bits, and I'm going to let you follow along. So let's roll them credits and let's go.
Don't you think we could be different if we could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rush through, hear the music, take the groove.
So I've bought this clear edging. It's got 3M tape on one side, clear on the other. I'm going to put it around the tank, around all the other plastic, all the other metal panels. We won't get any sort of interference or dodgy noises coming from everything. So that's what I'm going to do next.
Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend you're shy. Take it slow, let it go. Let's take a trip to uptown. Don't you wish we could be out of sight, out of mind? Take my hand, don't go slow. I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the beat finally got some clarity. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high. You and I, pinnacle, quite magnified. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the world outside, turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend you're shy. Take it slow, let it go, let it slow, let it go.
Yes. So I think maybe this side.
Don't you wish we could be out of sight, out of mind? Take my hand, don't go slow. I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the beat finally got some clarity. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high. You and I, pinnacle, climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the world outside, turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Take it slow, let it go, take it slow, let it go. Take it slow, let it go. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend you're shy. Take it slow, let it go. Take it slow, let it go. Take it slow, let it go. Let's take a trip to uptown. Don't you wish we could be out of sight, out of mind? Take my hand, don't go slow. I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the beat finally got some clarity. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a
Uasa battery. Got it off the reg. It does seem to be the right size. Believe that all bike batteries are dry scent or whatever. So we've got fluid pipes, battery terminals, we've got fluid here, and we've got battery. Let's see what this reckons we've got to do then.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. A somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at
Yeah. Brown.
It's been a while since I
Yeah.
ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shave when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go.
It's been a really weird episode so far. We've got a few little bits done that look good. You know what I mean? We've managed to get the key working on the back seat mount. We've got the rear lights working. We're going to get the indicators working next, and I'm just about to fit the rear number plate just so that I've got an idea where it goes. They need a couple of riv nuts in the back of there, so I'm going to stick you on that. I've had a little mess about with the exhaust. I'm not really sure where it needs to go, but hang on a sec. I've put it there. Let me know what you think, guys. I did think about moving it under here and having it straight out, but I honestly think that works the best. Follows quite a nice line on the bike as well. So let me know what you think, guys. Treat. We needed to find a way to hold the hump on, so I thought these were quite a bit of a classic style. The old Zeus clips. They're just a quarter turn quick fastener, little D clip on them. These should look pretty nice, so let's get on to fitting these bad boys. Come with all the rivets and the little metal brackets that go on the back side. So first of all, I'm just going to start with drilling a 6mm hole where I want 2 on each side, just like that. So I think I'm going to put one like here, and then put one nearer the back, maybe like here. So let's get on doing that and see how this goes. Those Zeus clips are not long enough, and now I have 4 holes in my hump. I'm gonna have to look at something different. I did think about the little pop clip buttons, and hopefully that should cover these holes a bit better. So let's see if that'll work. I just don't know. I'm a bit stumped at the moment, and I feel like I've got a bit of steam coming out my ears because I'm a bit frustrated, but you know, it is what it is. I think I'm going to call that an episode. I really like the exhaust how it is. I just need to make a little sleeve and clamp it up, and then work out a bracket to hold it in place. What do you think of the exhaust, guys? She's so close, but there's just so many little tiny things to do. We'll get there. We'll get there. Right, thanks for watching, guys. I know it's not a big impact episode or anything like that, but if you haven't seen any other episodes, go back, have a little watch, give us a like, give us a comment on what you might have done differently. I'm really not happy with them Zeus clips. I'm happy with how the bike's coming out. You know, she's lovely, and we will get to the right point where everything's all sorted, ready for an MOT. Maybe the next episode we'll get it started again. I don't know. But follow along to find out what happens. See you next time.